Welcome to my review of Leadpages. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about this powerful website builder, from its ease of use to its advanced features. Leadpages is known for its user-friendly interface, offering drag-and-drop functionality that makes it easy to create landing pages, websites, and opt-in forms without needing any coding experience. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketer, or just looking to improve your online presence, Leadpages has something to offer. First, let's talk about the platform's core features. One of the most notable aspects of Leadpages is its vast collection of templates. With over 200 pre-designed templates, you can find something that fits your business's style and needs. The templates are highly customizable, allowing you to make tweaks to colors, fonts, images, and layout to create a site that reflects your brand perfectly. Leadpages also offers an intuitive drag-and-drop editor, which makes it easy to add new sections, widgets, and other elements to your page. Another key feature is its lead generation capabilities. Leadpages integrates seamlessly with email marketing platforms like MailChimp, Aweber, and ConvertKit, allowing you to collect and manage leads efficiently. The opt-in forms are highly customizable and optimized for conversions, making it easy to grow your email list and engage with your audience. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. Let's move on to the pricing. Leadpages offers several pricing tiers depending on your needs, starting from a basic plan to a more advanced plan with additional features like A/B testing and advanced integrations. While it's slightly pricier than some other website builders, its robust feature set justifies the cost for many users, especially those looking for a comprehensive solution for lead generation. One of the most important factors to consider when choosing a website builder is customer support. Leadpages offers 24/7 support through live chat and email, ensuring that you'll always have access to assistance when you need it. The Help Center also has a large collection of articles, guides, and tutorials to help you get the most out of the platform. Overall, Leadpages is a solid choice for those looking for a powerful website builder that offers more than just design capabilities. With its strong focus on lead generation, user-friendly interface, and solid customer support, it's definitely worth considering if you need to create a website or landing page quickly. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and be sure to subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the best website building platforms.